In a previous video, I gave some tips about best morning routines that you can have in order to create a more productive day. And a few people wondered, well, what's the big deal about morning routines? Who cares about this productivity? I mean, does a morning routine really help? And the answer is yes. Number one, a morning routine sets the tone for the day. If your morning starts in chaos, then the chaos usually continues throughout. So if you can start it with some calm, that is going to help your brain relax. Also, it leads to better decision making because if you begin with calm, then your brain can take that calm. And even if the day gets chaotic as it progresses, your brain can help make better decisions because it started off with that clarity. It also, number three, helps the brain with prioritization and focus. And also, by beginning the day with a morning routine, the same routine every single morning, it helps you cultivate discipline. I know a lot of folks can be afraid of the D word, discipline, but really, discipline is a great thing because discipline means that you can make a commitment to yourself. Discipline means that you can create a routine. Discipline means that you can create a habit. And good habits and good routines are going to benefit you. So, those are a few reasons why you should consider having a morning routine, not just for the productivity part, but also so you can live life even better and on your terms.